Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, because Honda has done the unthinkable. They've taken the already legendary Civic Hybrid hatchback and slightly changed it. Yes, it's facelift time, baby, and you better have eagle eyes, because this glow-up is subtle enough to make a chameleon jealous. First up, say goodbye to the fog lights. That's right, Honda ripped them out and replaced them with improved LED technology. That's marketing speak for, you probably won't notice. But wait. There's a new front bumper with a sharper edge and a body color splitter that just might make your neighbor ask, is that a new Civic, or did you just wax it? But that's not all. The grille? It's different. Apparently. Somehow. And Honda didn't stop there. Oh no. They unleashed brand new 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. Diamond. Cut. Let that sink in. These wheels don't just roll. They slay. Feeling blue? Good. Because Seabed Blue is the new exclusive paint option, replacing the ever-so-forgettable premium crystal blue. And if you want even more flair, say hello to accessory accent colors with names that sound like high-end cologne. Berlina Black, Nordic Silver, and Patina Bronze. Step inside and bam! You're hit with a black roof lining for that premium touch. As if you needed more drama in your headliner. And the air vents? Surrounded by matte chrome, because nothing says subtle sophistication like chrome that doesn't shine. So what's the bottom line? For just under $34,000, you can now own a Civic that looks almost like the last one, but slightly newer. And you know what? We're not even mad, because this Civic still rocks, still hybrids like a boss, and still proves that sometimes evolution beats revolution. Order books are open. The 2025 Honda Civic Facelift is here. Blink and you might miss it.